Last time on Dragon Ball Z.
This is the initial cut. So I can get the bonding done and then I finish taking up the rest of this section. But I'm still in the filling and sanding phase. Sanding on the clear coat and throwing primer on it. The car is temporarily put back together. Just got it put together for this cartoons meet tomorrow. It's on solid enough, but like, you know, it's only partially bolted on the fenders, partially bolted on the side sills. Everything else is, you know, where it's supposed to be at. Overall, really happy. I love the way it looks. But there's some imperfections that I didn't quite catch because of the light. Like this panel, for example, when I had it inside, it looked like it was more or less a flat color all the way across. Like I primered it pretty good, but obviously, as you can tell in the light, it's splotchy as hell. And I also somehow missed. Can't see it now because the light's low. I think it's right there. Yeah, there's a little ridge right there, but you can't see it at all right now. But as soon as it gets bright out, you can see it perfectly. I got a little high spot there. That was a little more noticeable. And then, oh, look at that. Ew, that's nasty. Yeah, I got a little bit of a couple more spots there I gotta finish up. It's dirty. Kind of scratched this spot on the primer. Nothing too major. And then the rest of the car is kind of ugly from where the panels were on it. The tape, for some reason, actually left a residue line that I can't get to come off very easily. Scratch marks back here, but I said, oh, that's going to be ground down anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But been driving it a little bit today, and I'm pretty happy. I'm really happy with the way it looks right now, and I can't wait to get the back going.